Recording.
Welcome back, Waka Flocka. Hit that subscribe button, in the middle of your phone. Anyway, yeah. So had to restart my camera because the wire came out on the Senna. Yeah, piece of shit Senna. One thing it's another on that Senna. Uh, eh. I don't like this song. Uh,
Yeah, I'm a Memphian, bruh.
yeah, I don't want to hear meth heads.
One night in the city, a not-so-bright, dang fool came up with the bright idea of breaking into the wrong house. Join DJ Paul and Freddie Gibbs
Get the hell
on this
outta here.
episode of Find Out.
I don't think I've heard this song. Maybe, been a while. Oh, that road's fucked up. It went down like that. Lady looking at me. Don't look at me, lady. I'm commanding. I said, Hey, look at that. Good thing I went this way. I'd be sitting at that stoplight. Not today. That was fourth. I could have hit fifth. I wanted to ride fourth, but it just wouldn't do it. The cop over there? Are you kidding me? Oh, yeah. Two of them. Oh, shit. They're on a mission. Oh, shit. Brother, be careful. Wonder if they've seen that whaler. I hope not. What is it? I think there's a bike trail that goes all the way to the desert. Yeah. What time is it?
If you can find any song in the world in seconds, you should be able to sign up for renter's insurance in seconds. It's about time insurance.
Wonder who did that.
Downtown, snapping rules. Ain't no shame up in my game. In fact, I'm
smell the wheelie. That one didn't work out too good. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man. Oxycontin, Xanax bars, Percocets, and Loratabs. Values, morphine patches, ecstasy, and it's all up a grab. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man. Scarecrow, scarecrow, what's that? I should have ran this one. They call Oxycontin, but it's so tiny, oh my God, are you kidding me? Big things come in small packages. I prefer the orange ones with the black OC. Tape to where you cannot move about your seat. Some people melt them down in a needle and shoot them up, but I pop them with Seroquel like glue. I see stuff. Yeah, I can't wheelie today. I did one in my other video. I did a good one. Give me some fucking egg, give me some Percocets. I need me some football so I can break down. Cause a nigga like me finna take it to fuck down. Oxycontin, Xanax bars, Percocets, and Loratabs. Values, morphine patches, ecstasy, and it's all up a grab. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man. Oxycontin, Xanax bars, Percocets, and Loratabs. Values, morphine patches, ecstasy, and it's all up a grab. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man. What you want, what you need, hit me up, I got you, man.
Start your journey to full hair now. Show it off by summer. Hims offers access to a range of simple-to-use products, so by the time summer arrives, your hair does too. To start, just answer a few questions and connect with a like.
Bone Thugs, still riding, still thugging. Cleveland to the death.
I gotta readjust my suspension in the front a little bit. It's a little bit stiff. I gotta soften it up on the dampening.
Y'all kill us in the streets, then hop behind the badge and the name. Rodney King, Breonna George, y'all keep adding to the list. But when we ride back, suddenly y'all want peace and shit. Now fuck that, I roll with the 44 Magnum. Thugging in the Chevy, windows tinted, system dragging. They hop out aggressive, hands on they block. I blast first, ask questions, never leave them outlined on the block. Cleveland's finest.
The hell, man?
We unified. Police
where is
roll
it?
deeper, we deeper when it's time to ride. Wishbone spitting lava, burning blue suits to the pavement. Thug life forever, death before slavery. Coming straight from the police.
Oh, sorry.
In the mud, bruh. Badges don't mean shit. Harassing my niggas, getting clapped quick. Watching my every move like I'm public and I'm number one. But I'm just trying to read my case, stack this paper, have some fun. Dirty ass detectives planting shit. Next thing I know, lights flashing, get on the ground.
Like that. All day.
Bone Thugs and Harmony.
Still creeping on them. Eternal 2026 and one. Rest in peace to the real ones. Thug life.
Hurry up! Like a flopper. All day. I smell a wheelie right here. Watch. The car, get out of my way. Told you. With the cars in my way, break that mirror. I'll fix the mirror for them so they can see I'm coming. So get out of my way. Like a flopper. We're gonna go this way and that way, real quick. Come on, truck. I'm gonna pass you anyway. Don't look at me, I'm great. People made me this way. I didn't do it, man. Somebody did it to me. And this is why I'm like this. And that guy hurt me, I think. That's everybody's excuse there, man. People did it to me, that's why I'm like this. Not really, I mean, I can take responsibility for my own actions on the choices I make. That was fifth. I set it down at 5th gear all day. Set up for in front of the Kawasaki. Are you kidding me? Break that mirror for me. Fix that mirror for you. I'll readjust that mirror. Oh, look at the Porsche. That might be expensive to fix that mirror. Oh, good. Kawasaki coming! Yeah, it's that time again. It's on National Walk of Block. I hope I recorded that one.